This is the first time we've built a display home on a narrow lot. This lot's only 9 metres, so and there's a big market for this style of home and subdivisions that are happening throughout the metro area.
Yokine was a bit of an interesting project because it allowed us the opportunity to do something different, something that's not typical for WA. Basically, WA is traditionally double brick, and this home is primarily framed, both ground floor, upper floor and slab as well. So we're able to achieve some bigger cantilevers and things that you just wouldn't be able to achieve in brickwork on an economical scale.
On this home we've used an external cladding product called Hebel, which is a high performance product made of aerated concrete with reinforcement that is treated with anti-corrosive membrane. It's energy efficient, it's eco-friendly, it's got good noise reduction properties, it's solid, it's just a quality product.
Lino has been very passionate about, I shouldn't really say alternative because this process is very popular on the East Coast, but Lino went to the East Coast, identified Hebel as an alternative that he was very interested in using and could see both the financial and the environmental benefits all along the process. Lino's been very passionate about showing Hebel to the people of Perth.
So with traditional masonry products, to get to this stage where we're at roof cover upper floor, it would take normally 4 to 5 months. This project, we've gone from ground floor slab to upper floor roof cover in 5 weeks. So the product that we used around the house is 75mm and it's on fairing channel and its increments are 600mm by 2.4, 2.7, 3 metres. If you have a look around, you sight the walls, they're super straight. Run your eye down these edges here and you'll see the walls are straight.
Look, I'm very impressed with the way the guys have installed the Hebel. That's probably one of the main things that the customer would look at is the finish, and the Hebel has given the building a very smooth and clean line, which is what Novus look for in their designs. Again, like Lino said, it really opens up the opportunities inside, and you can see what that Lino has taken advantage of the lightweight system, including the flooring system and the walls, to create a building that's very open and very livable. And I think will open a few eyes to people when they see what they can do that they would be otherwise limited with other products.
We wanted to sort of achieve an architectural home with innovative design ideas, and we felt like utilising the frame construction we could achieve this.
If you use a standard concrete floor, a concrete floor will weigh 3 times as much as a Hebel floor. So you will need all the structure, you'll need the extra posts, you'll need the extra beams, which costs money and takes up space in the building. The advantage of the design on that building is that because they've used Hebel floor on it, they can span the joists without supporting them as much, and they get that open plan look to the building, which, as he said, gives him a lot more scope for varying the design of the building.
This is stacking like that.
With nothing there.
Nothing there. There's just a beam there which is supporting the upper floor and a little column picking up that corner beam. So, and now that section will be sheeted in plasterboard. Suspended slab, you'd have to hang down a T-bar. Yeah, it'd be super expensive.
With this home we've got 3 metre high ceilings in the fan room. Generally in traditional brick construction we would have a lot more cost because there'd be engineering involved with structural columns to avoid the slender factor of brickwork. With frame construction we alleviate that issue.
If you want to create architectural features, i.e. this al fresco, there's a lot more flexibility in frame.
It's quite an economical way to achieve a 3 metre high ceiling, which typically you wouldn't get in a double brick home because of the economy of scale. So the Hebel in this situation allowed us to do that.
We've got double sliding doors with no corner columns. We've introduced cavity sliders.
And the other thing we've done in here is we've been able to recess mirror boxes into the wall by using the depth of the wall. So as you see this opening here, this will just get a sheet of gyprock, another one here, and then we've got a cabinet box. That was brick. That curved wall would cost $1,500. What's it cost there? Nothing. 3 metre ceilings, $2,500. If you had to do that dropper corner in brickwork T-bar, $3,000. That beam at the front, if we had to form that out, I don't know, 2 grand, 2.5 grand. So this is the Hebel product.
They've clearly done all their sums, worked out it is an economical way to build and gives them the aesthetic they want. And from that point of view, we're very happy to be working with Novus.